In today's video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate a campaign in Lemlist. So first, in your dashboard, head over to campaigns so you can see this in the left panel. And now look for the campaign that you would like to duplicate from the list. And beside it, click on the three dot icon. So here you'll see the duplicate button. So click on it. Lemlist will then instantly create a copy of your campaign, including emails, steps, and settings. And the duplicated version will also be automatically opened. So here at the top, you can actually rename this so that you'll be able to easily tell it apart from the original copy. Now, before launching, make sure to review key details like your contact list, your personalization variables, and scheduling to make sure everything fits to your new target. And once you're ready, you can now start activating the campaign. Thank you for watching this video. Also, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!